Yep, it's a good brownie.
Nice. Nice. They don't want to quit. Something about this food. Always fish on it. Always around that long.
That's a good one. There's a fish. There we go. There's one on the chatterbait, Chad. The chatterbait. The old black and blue chatterbait. Well, it's been slow. Been really slow. They're so thick in here. The bass are just heavy. Yes. He chomped it while it was just sitting. Oh, it's a crappie. We'll take it though. Pretty ambitious. Pretty big bait for a small fish. There's fish. He's a dink. About like yours. Just a little dude.
Yeah.
He smoked it from behind though, like my line went slack. He's a dink. Ticking those weeds, Ryan. We probably should just be ripping a rattle trap right now. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one, Ryan. Well, I don't know if he's good enough, but he's pretty spicy. I don't know if he's big enough.
See what happens.
Why don't you run up front? God, I don't know. He looks good. We need some bigger ones, Ryan. I don't know where to go to get them, though. You don't look too big. Man, they're like freaking cookie cutters. Oh yeah, not even close.
Oh well. 2 pounder, probably.
1.5 pounds, 2 pounds for sure. I hope it's a 2-pounder, because that means the other ones we got are more than 2 pounders. There's a fish.
That one?
It's hard to say. Serious? This can't be real. You'd have fun. No, there's a fish in there.
Is there?
Yes, he's a dink though. He ain't big enough to worry about. I just don't want to break off my.
Seemed like I know it was a fish.
Golly. totally just freaking saladed and shooted the boat. There we go. That's the second smallest one of the day. Dink McNasty right there. Oh, there's a fish. Yep. Hope it's not a pike. Whoa. Just water. There we go, a little dink, second fish of the day. Good gravy, it's been hard. Woo! Nothing but giants for this guy.
That's how Rod does it too. He says that he don't buy drop shot hooks no more.
Whoa, there's one. Dude, I let him, I wasn't sure.
He was totally chewing on it. He don't buy.
It's a dink. It's a largemouth.
You don't buy any. You don't buy any of the swivel drop shot hooks.
Dang it. Stupid drop shot. Freaking tangle all the heck.
Is this your first day?
Dude, every day is my first day. You know this. Dink on the drop shot. Put down the jerk bait, pick up the drop shot.